Hey guys, welcome back to Animal Jam. Sky is on, so we can finally make our Clash of Videos Part 2. So yeah, he just told me to get started on my YouTube video. So yeah, they're going to get started. If I can set up this freaking camera. Yeah. Okay. That's actually pretty good. You can barely see me, because I'm right here. Hi. I'm actually green, not black. So yeah. Me and Sky are starting. Okay, someone just hit me. Send that city rock. I don't know why. Hey Sky. It is started. It started. You guys can barely see me, like, barely. Probably just making it worse. Yeah, you can barely see me. I really want you to see me though. I really want you to see me in the sky. Oh, no, dang it. Who are you anyway? Oh, is that my friend? Oh. He said he's going to start his. Okay. We should turn. I kind of feel like turning to a goat or just messing with this. No, I actually really like my character. We're just waiting at his den. Oh, yay! Yay. I'll just say yay. Sorry I went quiet for a while. I'm just typing. We are making a Clash of Videos. Oh yeah guys, I just decided last night that I'm going to make my first designer video Saturday night. I don't know about like other times and stuff, or whoever watches. Yeah. I'm going to make my first dishonor video. Sure. I think he is. We're making a Clash of Videos. Gosh, you can barely see me. Who cares? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's actually kind of good. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, so I have this whole other setup. I haven't uploaded my second video yet. Yeah. I had this whole other setup. Boom. Woo, woo, woo. Marla! I want to come on. I want to come on. I want to come on. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee. Oh my gosh, this is fun. I didn't know you had this. Oh my gosh. So many gumballs. You guys just look right here. See so many gumballs. So many gumballs. So many gumballs in so little time. Yay, more gumballs. And more. I want more. And more. And more. Dang it, they left. Oh, alligator. Hi, please don't bite off my head. Hi. What's happened to my otter? We haven't played as my otter for a while, actually. And I'm missing. Where's the phone? Downstairs. I'll be right back, guys. There should be something bad, I think. Bike somewhere. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Something happened, like thunder. There was thunder, and then the phone rang, and it was my dad telling me to get something inside for him. So yeah, I really can't like set this up again because it's so hard. Okay. And I don't know where Sky went. So yeah, we're back. I'm sorry for all the moving around the camera. So yeah, we're back. And we're wondering where Sky is. Oh, he's off. Okay, let's go visit somebody. Snow? Snow, where are you? Okay, we'll go do it then. I gotta tell her, hey, I gotta go. Hey, I gotta go. Oh. And as you guys can tell, the class of videos is over. Like, part 2 is over. That was kind of a short video because that thunder happened, and yeah, and I couldn't get the camera set back up. So yeah, say bye to Ollie the otter. Bye.